You can see here in this table, in these figures, that in our region, in the total was 128.9 in the year 2008. Our region has just 11.2, but it was all these installations have been done in the industrial building roofs that, as you can see, all was in type I1 and type 1, 2. This is the evolution of the power installed and connected to the network in our region. You can see here that, it was, as I have explained it, great development in the last years. It's the same that in Spain. It's not a special thing, but the important is that the quantity, as you can see, is more or less 230 megawatts. That it means it's nearly all the quantity that was foreseen, that was forecast in the all national renewable energy plan. This is the distribution of the installation connected to the network in the 3 different provinces of our region, and the different types. It means on roof or on soil. It includes the power of the installation and the number of the installation. Obviously, the number of installation in the roof or greater, or there is not a proportion because there are of less power in each one of the installation. We here have the situation of the industry, energy industry in our region. There is the manufacturing plants of panels. You have here a Tersa with Silicon, Euroner, Solaico, and Yatso. You can see also the quantities that of the capacity of its production per year. It means the 30% of the annual production in Spain. Also, we have 400 companies and that install or engineering or consulting companies. And it's necessary to remark that in the sector, they were created 3,500 jobs in the last 5 years. This is the evolution of the installation in our region. Before the year 2001, we are talking about isolated installation for self-consumption. In these years, the owners of this installation receive grants from our agency, from our government, and also from IDAE, that is the National Agency of Spain. By the years from 2001 to 2003, we were connected by the first time some installation. We are talking about domestic installation, about isolated houses installations that are less than 5 kilowatts. And in this case, they receive also grants, but have also tax deduction and production bonus. And finally, from the years from 2004 to 2009, there are no big installation. In this case, we are talking about installation in the roofs of building industries. And and we, in this case, we have the new, we have also the new royal decree that regulate the tariffs of the electricity that is sent to the network grid. And finally, we have some examples of installation that we have in our region. This is a very elemental installation that is the electrification of an isolated house that is for self-consumption. In this case, it's a payback time of 15 years. This is also for an isolated house, but in this case, is connected to the network. This is a new path, a new step in this installation. It was installed in 2004. And it's the same, but in this case, is for a block of flats. This is an installation in a roof of an industry building. We are talking of power of 120 kilowatts, and it covers 800 square meters. In this case, it was estimated, it was a payback time of 12 years. This is another case of an installation in the roof of a building, industry, and is 500 kilowatts. This is an installation in the soil with a total power of 2,000 kilowatts. And this is our biggest installation in soil that is working since February 2007 and has a total power of 19,200 kilowatts. And this is the only, well, as I have shown you different installation, and if you can see, there is not in the degraded soils. But this is the only one that we have by the moment in a degraded soil. It's installed in a lagoon, in an old lagoon wastewater treatment in Santa Pola. And we have also in project a new one in a landfill in Villena in Alicante. Well, it's all. Thank you very much.